Alright everybody, here your neighborhood mechanic. We are working on a 2014 Ford F-150 XLT with the V8, and we have 5.0 liter engine. The problem we have is crank, no start. We are going to figure out what the problem is. I'm going to turn the key on and you can hear the engine cranking but not starting. So one thing you can check really quick is a 20 amp fuse in the fuse box by the engine compartment right here. You can see it's burned. So why is it burned? We're gonna figure that out. Stay tuned. Bam!